come to the Mundugora special, the cake show of Mysuru. So you can see the Chiki and Chiku, they have come. Hi Chiku, where you have come? So you can see the replica of Mysore Palace, yeah. And Maharaja is standing right over. We have to do namaskara to Maharaja. And this is a nice thing. And you can see Chiki and Chiku right standing there in front of Maharaja. You can check it out. So Chiki and Chiku here, they are going to the way the Mysore Maharaja ki jai. Yes, namaskara Mysore Maharaja. We are really grateful to you that you have done very great job. So magnanimous Maharaja, namaskara. So now we'll be moving towards another masterpiece. We'll check it out. So you can see the last date, and we have come on the last day. Yes, today is 7.
And today is our father's birthday. Who's the cameraman?
So great, and thanks a lot to Chiki and Chiku. And here Chiku is very silent and he's running now. Why? We don't know. So we are here. So you can see, wow, so nice. It's I feel it's Mysore KSR dam, no? Yeah, yes, I'm absolutely correct, and it's a Krishna Sagar dam. And you can see, wow, so nice. The Mysore royal family, Maharaja's royal family. We salute to Maharaja. Really fortunate that we are in Mysuru. Really great. Thank you, Maharaja family. Oh my God, really, we should always thanks to each and every part of our country. Yes, we should thanks to our HAL, and due to this we are really safe. And you can see our fighter jets cake. You can see the cake. Yeah, it's a cake show, it's a jet show. You can see the fighter jet. Namaskara to our Indian Army. Yes, HAL is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So we should really thanks to our HAL team. And wow, this is our Mysuru Tower. It's where we can find this. Can you please explain?
A big clock at the center of Mysore during the time of Krishna. But it is still there.
Still there. So really thanks to you for explaining this. Big clock at the center of the Mysore during the time of Krishna Raja Wadaya. Jai Krishna Wadaya. Oh my God, this is cake or this is original?
I just want to cut it right now.
So nice. Chiku is showing some other masterpiece, and you can see, oh my God, that is another the theme of the Mysuru Maharaja's Sipo. You can say this is Jambu Savari, Mysore's cultural landmark. Jambu Savari. Yeah, during Vijayadashmi we can find it, and you can see so nicely they have actually made. Really great job. The artist is really a great artist.
Yeah. Come, let's explore more.
So now we are heading towards another. Yeah. So you can see the best masterpiece, the Kantara. Yeah, it's a Vara Avtara. Jai Vara Avtara. Sri Hari Vishnu Ji ki Jai. Yes. And then next you can see. And right now we are here in front of the. Yes, our RCB, the great RCB, Jai RCB, yes, and we are having this Indian Premier League Cup with us, with our Karnataka, Jai RCB.
This is a bouquet for you all, and the ghee is a cake or not?
That's a ghee, or maybe, I don't know, the flowers.
That's my guitar, you know guys, I have a guitar right there.
Because Krishna Raj Wadaya told the flower said, what flower told? All beauty is mine. Yes, a very beautiful flower. And you can see.
Guitar.
Oh, I don't know why Chiku is afraid of. I think you're afraid of because of this one, the tiger, the bear, and you see the deer and all the giraffes are there. And one more there. And tiger is taking rest, and it's actually getting the music from where? There's a guitar. You can check it out. I like to play the guitar. Yeah. So we are feeling that we are inside the jungle.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is for
it's a cake. So guys, this is the end of this cake show, and really the artist is to salute for this delicious and very marvelous and true copy of the things they have made. Now, and now we'll see what is behind this. So we'll come here. Oh my God, what is this? So these there are too many stalls are there, and we can buy many things. Many things.
You can eat food there.
Yeah. It's a nice.
I think there is one cake there.
Oh my God, outside. Okay,
We'll
we'll
show
come
you
out and
afterwards,
we'll show you. Yes, so now we have come to the end of this cake show. Yeah,
And I'm eating
and this, and she's eating a chip. You should not eat chips. It's a very unhealthy.
okay.
Oh, it's healthy. Then okay, good. But you should not eat healthy chips also, because you should eat healthy. Your homemade mammas by your
ki
mama.
bhujia.
Aloo ki bhujia and roti and dal and
Ice
paisam.
cream.
No ice cream.
Homemade.
No homemade ice cream. No more sweets. You should not have this habit.
Sugarless.
No sugarless.
Jaggery.
No, a jaggery but little. We should take
Salt.
care of our health because health is wealth. You can see that. Don't eat cake, only see the cake. I will ask how Chiku felt. So ask please, Chiku, you share your experience to your viewers, your friends. Huh? Well, so you enjoyed here by coming to the last day. Whether you felt that it is the first day or last day? It's the same. Last day or first day, same, because the place is almost same.
One more should have been there.
Okay, guys, you should enjoy the cake show and eat very less cake. Sorry, cake companies, I'm not telling that you should not go. You should also grow, but health should be not be grown. Bye bye. Take care. Happy Dashara. Happy Dashara.